Today I'm going to teach you how to add video to Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to make your forms more engaging and interactive, whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or collecting feedback from your audience. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create or edit your form. This is important because you'll need access to your existing forms or the ability to create new ones. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've been working on. Browse through this list and click on the form where you want to add a video. This will open up the form editor, giving you full access to customize and enhance your form with various elements. Now that your form is open, locate the specific question where you'd like to insert a video. Click on that question to select it. Once selected, shift your attention to the right panel of your screen. This panel contains all the tools and options you need to add different elements to your questions. Look for the button that says Add Video and click on it. This will open up a new dialog box where you can choose how to add your video content. In this dialog box, you'll notice a search bar at the top. You can use this to search for YouTube videos directly within Google Forms. Simply type in keywords related to the video you want to include, and Google will display relevant results from YouTube. This feature is incredibly convenient if you're looking for educational content, tutorials, or any publicly available video that fits your form's purpose. Alternatively, if you already have a specific YouTube video in mind, you can paste the YouTube link directly into the field provided. Just copy the URL from YouTube, paste it into this field, and hit enter on your keyboard. This method is faster if you know exactly which video you want to use and have the link ready. Once you've either searched for a video or pasted your link, you'll see the video appear in the selection area. Click on the video thumbnail to select it, then click the Insert button to add it to your question. The video will now be embedded directly into your Google form, making it visible to anyone who fills out the form. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Google form, making it more dynamic and informative for your respondents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.